there was flying some few little I don't know if in English it's swallows or something. The birds, the little birds that cannot land on the ground. You know. Ah, look, look, ah, look. Well, that's not the swallows, but it's also amazing, beautiful, you know. Yeah. Look how beautiful. I think he's going somewhere. You see, I'm amazing, you know. So amazing. So beautiful, you know. Look at that. Wow. Wow. You see that? Wow. Oh, there are the swallows. You see? There was a racing seagull just before. That was so funny. That little. Wow. The seagulls. Where? Where did he go? Where did he go? Probably somewhere. I'm almost 100% sure about that. Yes. So, it was a nice video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Actually, otherwise, I enjoyed it myself very much. So, bye bye.